Howdy, y'all. If y'all live on the Texas coast, you already know Mother Nature don't play around. Between salty air, hurricane winds, and that blazing sun, your windows are taking a beating. That salty Gulf air, it eats away at cheap windows. High winds, they'll shake loose low-quality frames faster than a tumbleweed in a dust storm. But don't worry, folks. There are windows built tough enough for our Texas coast. First up, impact-resistant windows. These bad boys are built for Texas storms. We're talking laminated glass that won't shatter, even if a storm throws a tree branch at it. And it ain't just the glass, the frames matter too. We only use top-tier vinyl windows that won't warp, corrode, or weaken in the Texas heat and salty air. Cheap aluminum windows? They'll rust and corrode from the salty air fast, but high-quality vinyl windows? Now those are built to last. Vinyl windows are strong, energy efficient, and maintenance free. No rust, no warping, just durable, Texas tough performance. Now let's talk about the Texas heat, because buddy, it gets hot. If you don't want to turn your home into an oven, low E glass is a must. Low E glass bounces heat out in the summer and keeps it in during the winter. That means lower energy bills at a home that stays cool without cranking the AC 24/7. So if you're building or replacing windows on the Texas coast, don't gamble with weak windows. Get impact-resistant, weatherproof, and energy-efficient windows. Texas Made Windows and More has the best option for your home. Give us a call today and let's get your home Texas tough.